Okay. You. Adonis. Let's go. You.
You're a pretty dog.
Say thanks. Adonis. Let's go. You. Down. Hey, you. Down. Good. The fact that this shit is $7 is insanity. Okay, you. Oh, the bread. Sorry, I'm just all in the way. We got a traffic jam here.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. I'll move out the way.
That's all right.
So I got to ask you a question. Though.
What's that?
How do you keep that guy with you so close without a leash?
I'm a dog trainer.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Is this bad? I shouldn't.
Adonis,
Is
back
he in
up.
training?
Well, he's not in training.
Okay.
So he's task trained for social and environmental control. So he's just like, that guy's close. Let me back him up a little bit. That's all he's doing.
Oh, okay, that's
but no, I own a dog training company. So
Oh,
it's
you do?
what I do for a living. Yeah.
In here, in this area?
Yeah.
How's business?
Great.
Is
yeah.
that right?
There's a lot of bad dogs, believe it or not.
Oh, okay. So I see. So you're taking people's dogs and like getting them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Primarily what I do is just like pet training.
Okay.
I do service animal training for like veterans and
Yeah.
folks with PTSD and that sort of stuff as well. But the majority of what I do is just pet training.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm an old.
Sounds back up.
I'm an old lab guy. We
Gotcha.
Had like 6 of them.
They're great dogs.
Oh, they
They're-
are. And the problem
they're
was,
boisterous, for
I
sure.
have one now, except I can't put them down anymore. I just,
Yeah.
after 13, 14 years, it's too much.
Yeah.
You know.
It's really hard on the heartstrings for
It
sure.
is. It is.
Yeah.
You know, anybody that tells you it isn't is lying.
Yeah,
It's-
what? If anyone says putting a dog down is,
Like putting
is
a kid down.
yeah, seriously, it's craziness.
Especially if you've had it that long.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Once you kind of develop that bond, it's nothing like there's nothing like it.
I hear you.
Yeah, 100%.
Hey,
Yeah.
congratulations.
Thank
I'm
you.
glad business is
Yeah, absolutely. Take care.
Take care. You